My name is Emma, and I'm here to tell you about vacuum cleaners you've got to see. At any time you like, just click this banner and get real-time deal on your favorite products. Number 1, the Dyson V6 cord-free vacuum gives you Dyson suction power without the hassle of a cord. Its motorized cleaner head cleans all floor types, by Dyson. Number 2, get your home's carpet and furniture looking clean and smelling fresh with the Bissell Proheat Advanced Full-Size Carpet Cleaner, by Bissell. Number 3, by Eureka. Early Black Friday deals are now available. Click this link below and get yours. Number 4, on a budget but still want a quality machine to manage all your cleaning challenges in a busy household with family members, including pets? The Hoover WindTunnel 2 is the perfect pick for you, by Hoover. Number 5, by Shark. For more info about these great online offers, click this link below. Number 6. Get these great online offers now. Click this link below for real-time deals and updates.